This Chinese recipe is called Qing Gui Xiu Qiu, which means hydrangea flower. These meatballs have the particularity of mixing chicken, pork, and fish. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. First, soak in water the shiitake mushrooms for 4 hours, the wood deer mushrooms and the lily flowers for 1 hour. Cut into chunks the pork, the chicken thighs, and the fish. Chop them separately for 3 minutes each. Cut 2 round shiitake mushrooms into small cubes. Put them in the bowl. Take a handful of rehydrated wood deer mushrooms. Take out their foot and chop them very briefly. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 egg white. Combine vigorously for 2 minutes to get a sticky meat. Let it in the fridge while preparing the other ingredients. Cut into chunks the shiitake mushrooms, the wood deer mushrooms, take out the lily flowers foot, cut them in half, peel the ginger, cut 5 thin slices. Cut half a pepper into chunks. Do the same with the spring onion. Cut the cilantro into sections. Put them in the separate bowl. To prepare the sauce, put in a bowl half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix well. Pour the sauce in the bowl. Mix all together. Put in a baking dish. Take out the meat preparation from the fridge. Put little oil on the hands to prevent the preparation sticking. Make some meatballs. Put them over the vegetables. Steam for 20 minutes over high heat. Halfway through the cooking time, mix the dish. Sprinkle with the cilantro. Bon appétit! The meatballs offers the taste of the fish. The vegetables and mushrooms enrich the dish. The lily flowers taste a bit little mushrooms. This healthy dish is delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.